Hello everyone, my name is Antesh Jain. I am from Firozabad, Uttar Pradesh. I got selected in SBI 2021 exam. It was my second attempt. On 15 March when result was came, I was very happy and my family was also very happy. It was a very memorable day for me and my family. I can never forget that day in my life. I got 106 marks in my mains examination and 46 marks in my interview examination. Interview marks plays a very important role in my selection. I subscribed Oliveboard interview course for my interview preparation, in which I got mock interviews. That was a very important for me, and also I got banking awareness classes and personality development classes. Aditya sir also guided us personally. That helped us a lot. For future aspirants, I want to say that focus on your basics and give mocks as much as you can. At least try to give one mocks in a day. And also consistency is the key of success. And never get disheartened by some failures. And self belief is very important for the selection process. In the end, I want to say to thank to Aditya sir, Harshita ma'am, and whole Oliveboard team for guiding me in my selection process. Thank you.